y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. Thank you, new subbies. Thank you for all my other subbies. Truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you are watching this video and you have not done so, please hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate that, y'all. So what I'm bringing to y'all today is my made over picture that I was painting. I didn't know where I was just, I swear I was just throwing paint somewhere. I didn't have a clue really what I wanted to do with this. I had found this painting when I was out treasure hunting, and I didn't care for the painting itself. I ended up spray painting that black, and then I ended up just getting some of my acrylic paint and just went to town with it. So right now I'm getting ready to clean off the glass that it came with, and then try to put this picture back together and see the new creation. So I'm bringing y'all along with me. So let's get on over there and see what it looked like. Yeah, it's like whatever angle I put it in over here, it's gonna show my outside window. Glass is so clean, it's just picking up everything.
JB Moro, go and get your bags.